And we are ready. Benny, are you ready? Let me get into the car. And so we have a 2-hour trip. Show them where we're going, Benny. Let's show the family where we're going.
So, we are in Rome. We're here. I'm going to drive all the way to a beautiful little town called Gaeta, which is, here's Naples. So just to give you an idea. So it's a beautiful 2-hour and 18-minute drive in the car with my sister.
Yay! So let's go. Beautiful day.
Beautiful day.
Beautiful day. We have arrived to our destination.
We have arrived to our destination. It is a gorgeous sunny day.
We finally arrived at Gaeta, and the first stop is it's a place where you have been many years
yes,
ago.
It was a flashback. I remember coming here with my grandparents when my grandmother wanted me to learn about Italy, and it was just a flashback. And so we're going to a place called Montagna Spaccata, which translates to
Split Mountain. Okay, let's go that way. Look.
Here where the rocks split, marking the death of Christ, often prayed a man named Filippo Neri. The solitary pilgrim from the city of Cassino decided to abandon the outside world and all its glories. So we're going through this mountain. It's called Montagna Spaccata, which practically means cracked mountain. And the legend says that this mountain cracked the moment Jesus died. And it is, the feeling here is just so magical and so unique. And so now we're going to go down these steps. We're going to go right inside the mountains. And you just have to follow us to see what it is, because it's just a beautiful journey.
Gesù rese lo spirito, la terra tremò, le rocce si spaccarono. So that's a passage of the Bible of Matthew that says that when Jesus, he gave up his spirit, the earth trembled and the rocks split. And apparently this is the place. That's very exciting.
Look, but you have to see, look at this. Look at this. This is called the hand of the Turk. And practically what this says is that there was a Turkish person many years ago, and he did not believe that this was actually real. And he put his hand like this, and the entire stone just melted. And so this is, you have the space for 3 fingers, for the 5 fingers. And this is called La Mano del Turco. Look at that.
You guys, this is like goosebump sort of experience. I've never actually walked between a split mountain. Look, turn around and see. Let's go see what's upstairs, because we really I've never been here, okay? So we're doing this together with you for the very first time. Let's go. The view. We have to go that way now.
So now we're going to go down over 100 steps, and we're going to visit a place called La Grotta del Turco, and it's a cave, and it was a great hiding spot for pirates back in the days. And if I recall correctly, it is stunningly beautiful. So let's go down. Down is okay, then we have to come up. I remember when I came in with my grandmother, we walked all the way down there. I recall my grandfather just waiting on this terrace saying, "You girls go, I'll wait here." And maybe because it's winter, but look how down it is.
But let's go see if there's a view, because we've seen pictures of this. So let's go see. Now the pirates really did know their thing. So basically this is where we are. To put it into perspective. Okay, we didn't go all the way down because we can't. But now we're gonna go all the way up, Benny.
Oh, it's only 60 steps. Right?
Only 60 steps. Gaeta is on the beach. We're going to explore the most famous beach of Gaeta called Serapo.
Let's go put our tiptoes in the water. No, it's not cold at all. It's actually beautiful. Imagine this in summer must be.
This is like super fine. For us, it's like super fine and white.
Dust.
Oh, look at that dog running.
Your dog would love it.
Yes.
So this in summer is it's gonna be packed.
Packed.
Packed, packed, packed.
Hey, ciao! But Benny, why did we come to Gaeta?
We came to Gaeta
To eat Tiella.
Tiella, which is the local, is what Gaeta is famous for. And we actually have, okay, I'm not allowed to tell you, my sister's going shh behind.
Such a spoiler. Okay. Okay. So I would say let's go and eat a Tiella. We are in the city center of Gaeta, which is really cute. And we're looking for our Tiella. And look, I just love how they line dry, hanging out their clothes. Let's go into this one place that has been here since 1890. Antico Forno Giordano. Let's go in. Eccola. Salve. Guarda che bello. The Tiella.
So we're going to try 4 of the special fillings of La Tiella here in Gaeta. We're going to try octopus, then with scarole, which is a very particular salad. It's like a vegetable that is great with
Escarole.
Escarole with special olives that come here from Gaeta, which I love. Then one with onions and another one with zucchini.
Zucchini and cheese cream.
And cheese ricotta.
Cream cheese.
And cheese cream. So yes.
E lei è il signor Gaetano?
No signore, sono Enrico Giordano.
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 Giordano, scusi.
Essendo Gaetano sono Gaetano.
Ha ragione.
Perché
Vede, ho
cittadino
fatto
di
una domanda
Gaeta.
pertinente.
Non è sbagliato.
We're going
Let
to
the
try
tasting-
all 4 and let the tasting begin. Let's go.
La taglio.
Look.
We're going to taste this in the place. So we just sat down, and the first one we're
I'm not
tasting
even showing them.
is the pulp one, the one with octopus,
Look
which
at
is the
that.
most traditional
The one with
basically, what a tiella is, it's like this, sort of like pizza with a stuffing inside, with many different stuffings.
It's good. I think this is the first time I ever had tiella.
So this is actually quite an ancient dish, and the concept is that, you know, you see we were at this sea place. So all the fishermen, all the farmers used to prepare this so that they could keep and they could have like a full meal. So it started off as a container.
Le tielle di Valente, a che ora devo venire? O le tieni.
This is a little more challenging than we had expected.
Nobody will walk in.
Now we're gonna try the other ones. And I just find it incredible how I'm just always so amazed by the creativity and the genius of the peasants, that they actually never gave up nutrition and flavor.
No, never. And also, this is pure simplicity, and it's a way not to waste anything. So how do we purpose how to use stuff that they could also take on, you know, mostly fishermen here, they went on day-long trips fishing. It was something that was done, eating cold, and perfect.
Questa è scarola?
Sì, sì.
Grazie. Scarola. You want to peek inside? Look. E olive. These are...
E un po' di piccante, vedi, red
Ottimo,
rosso.
so perfect.
This is too much olives.
Good.
This has, and because Gaeta is very famous for its olives, and it's in here.
I love escarole. Love it.
Wow.
Delicious. Buonissimo.
Okay, I see our next one.
Cream cheese. Zucchine, eggs.
Tiella alla zucchina.
Sì.
You see? Zucchini,
Ricotta, eggs.
Eggs per
eggs.
amalgamare, per chiudere, per stringere.
Perfect. To seal everything together and make it more compact, and this is also delicious.
Dentro la plastica ci vediamo a Sicilia.
This is also good, but I still like escarole better.
Essendo chiuso,
Huh?
The scarola was incredible. Also the
No, I mean,
octopus,
the
they're all
stuffing
good.
is delicious.
Niente dentro la puzza. Ok.
This is like a full meal. I mean, here you've got the eggs, the vegetable, the bread, all in one bite, in your hand, because you eat
This
this.
is very smart cooking.
You eat this with your hands. And the incredible thing is that each of the dishes in Italy, they tell a story, and that's what I find the most fascinating. That's why I love Italian peasant cuisine, because it's peasant. They have a story. And
A story, a purpose, and a reason for existing, actually.
And Tiella is exclusively from Gaeta. Grazie.
Ooh, this one must be delicious.
This must be
too.
amazing.
Onion.
With
Onions.
Onions e tomato.
and a little bit of tomato.
Just a little bit.
So you see how simple ingredients? Onions, I mean.
Now this one,
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It's like caramelized onions.
buonissimo. Pure genius.
No, it's
And I'm so happy that we came here because I think this is the first time I actually ate a tiella. Yeah.
no, I have, but not in Gaeta. And they're made in Gaeta. Obviously you're gonna be making them at home too. But
Yeah. Different.
for us that we have to tell a story, we would rather come to the place, be in the middle of all this like theatrical moment that we had,
That was so funny. So funny.
and that's how we can share with you the real authenticity of each dish, because then they tell us about it, and so we tell you about it. And this is the reason of our mission. And I would say, mission
Accomplished.
accomplished. Now let's see if we can show you what we would like to show you.
Yeah.
We'll see. Let's see.
Look at this. This is the stuffing
Octopus.
of the octopus tiella.
Yeah.
Che bellissima. Vale, look. And
Ciao. Vedi?
Che bello.
Poi aspetta, ti faccio vedere un attimo. Poi si chiude, viene chiusa,
then that gets
viene
closed.
chiusa, viene
Seal.
chiusa e infornata.
And then it's
Segui
put
me?
in the oven.
Andiamo. E poi esce, cook, si cuoce, eccola qua, pronta.
Once it's cooked. Wow.
Il vero patrimonio italiano è
Thank you.
questo, siete voi.
Thank you.
E noi facciamo con molto amore e responsabilità.
lo so.
Bellissimo.
Abbiamo un'età eppure ci stiamo ancora a lavorare. Io ho 75 anni.
Che
Non
meraviglia.
si dice l'età.
E vabbè,
Una
non
donna lo può dire.
però ne ho
La
Un
20.
uomo lo può chiedere, ma una donna lo può dire.
Ah,
Specialmente se si riporta così bene.
Sempre 20 anni ho,
Sempre.
Sempre 20 anni.
Grazie mille.
You're welcome.
That's where we were. That's where we were. And
I say the mission was accomplished much better than expected
Yes.
because it was delicious and they were just
they were adorable. They, you know how they, did you see how they just like so proud? They showed us everything, and that just shows you the warmth
and the love.
of
I mean, they're both over 75 years old.
yes.
And they're sitting there and she's cooking and preparing everything and with this oven and it's just incredible that because this is I mean to do this it's just pure love. Pure love.
And so, this is Gaeta, and we are so happy that we brought it into your homes.